everyone, welcome back to Dr. JP classes. I hope you all are fine. Friends, previously we had discussed about rating scale. Today we all are going to discuss about another evaluation tool, that is checklist. For the purpose of data collection, analysis and interpretation, the researcher used different types of scale. Checklist is one of them. In this video, we will learn advantages of checklist. These are the following advantages of checklist. A checklist allows inter-individual comparisons. They provide a simple method to record observations. They are adaptable to subject matter areas. It is useful in evaluating learning activities expected to be performed. They are helpful in evaluating procedure work, align closely with tasks. Checklists help objectively to evaluate the characteristics, decrease the chance of error in observation, easy to construct and use and save time, effective for self and peer assessment. Students can measure their own behavior with the help of checklists, make learners aware of task requirements, allowing them to self monitor progress. Personal social development can be checked, useful for sharing information with parents and other stakeholders. Because of variety of advantages in checklist, the researcher, teachers and other personals use checklist in different fields because for comparison between the two individuals, we use checklist. It is easy to construct. At the same time, it saves time. It is effective for self assessment. At the same time, peer assessment. It is also useful for sharing information with others, for example, with parents and other stakeholders. And if we want to evaluate the characteristics, traits, and personality of others objectively, we use checklist. Besides many advantages in checklist, these are the following disadvantages of checklist. Checklists do not indicate quality of performance, so the usefulness of checklist is limited. Checklists are not easy to prepare. Only the presence or absence of the ability can be tested. Yes or no type judgment can only be given. It has limited use in qualitative observation, provide limited information about how to improve performance, and how much cannot be tested through checklist. For example, you want to test the storytelling skill of a student, you can check only whether the student developed or not developed the skill, but you cannot study how much he has developed. Regarding the disadvantages of checklist, some educators or academicians says that it is very difficult to prepare a checklist because for different items different checklists are needed. Checklists do not indicate quality of performance because yes or no type judgment can only be given. Through checklist, how much cannot be tested. For example, if we want to test the different type of skills of the students, we check whether that particular skill developed or not developed. But we cannot study how much he has developed, how much he has acquired that skill. Besides certain objectives, checklist is useful in evaluating learning objectives, and this type of tool is quite helpful for the researcher for data collection, analysis, and for its interpretation. That's all for today's video. In next video, we will discuss about other important points of checklist. Thank you for watching. Friends, if my video provides you little bit information, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to write your valuable comments. Stay tuned. Have a nice day.